Hey, let me ask you, what's the number one problem that you have or fear with regards to investing in the Dubai property market? Possibly it could be, will you be able to find the exact property that matches your criteria 100%? Will you be able to negotiate and save maybe $10,000 to $100,000 in your pocket? Will the process be easy and simple or difficult and cumbersome? Well, look, 6 out of 10 people who invest in the Dubai market face these problems. The number one surefire way to avoid these is to have a competent and trustworthy advisor holding your hand every step of the way, showing you the ins and outs. My name is Fahd Dawood. I'm the author of The Intelligent Real Estate Investor. Build your property empire in Dubai with $150,000 or less. I was born and raised in Dubai. My family's been here for 4 generations and I've been involved in real estate for 12 years now. I started in Canada, Toronto in 2006, and since 2007 I've been working in Dubai. I've been involved in almost 2,500 transactions both on the buy and the sell side, and I was the advisor on a $300 million fund that was investing in both residential and commercial real estate. I would say I know a thing or two about investing in the Dubai market. Believe me, if you and I choose to work together and you let me show you what I can do for you in the long run, you're going to be very, very impressed. Let's get started.